beep, beep, beep. I'm not sure where the entity is that's making that sound, but I saw him. I saw him. He's up, he's up there. Wait, I'm not. Wait. Wait, I lost him. I lost him. He's somewhere there. He's somewhere there. And that entity also. That can. I hope you can see the black duck there. He's making this very sharp sound also. That's very distinct. And it's something that I have never encountered before also. I have seen so many species of birds that I have never seen before, and also I noticed that when I was in Luzerne, there is this species of brown birds that kind of look like cousins of seagulls, and it looks as if the wings are a little bit thinner than the usual seagull that I see, or the usual bird that I have seen before. It looks like it's a bit thinner and a bit more the span. It has a bit more of a wider span, because I'm looking at them from this angle, and I can see the way it moves. It feels much more lighter. I imagine if it were my wings, it feels much more lighter than the usual that I see where I'm currently residing. So yeah, and then I looked a bit longer, and it looked as if the wings are thinner and the wings and wider in terms of like, and they're making this very interesting sounds. I'm not sure what they're doing over there. There seems to be a construction work somewhere. Not somewhere. On the left side of me. Huh. You can probably hear the sound. They have this like zzz, that takes these things from the that's him. Look, he's gone. No, not without an R. He's gone. He's probably fetching some meals down there. He's back. There. It's probably a bit strange if you're a duck and then you hear something from somewhere that sounds like a duck but is in the wrong pitch or something. It's probably odd. It's probably the same experience if you're speaking to your friend and then you hear something from the sky speak something that's vaguely human but it's not human at all, and you're having the self-consciousness of a human. You're just, where is that coming from? It's not coming from the trees. It's not, where is it coming from? So that's probably the experience I am giving to the duck right now when I tried to imitate the sounds. Look, he's so cute. He's so cute. He's just existing like that, like being a duck and all, like a wobbly little thing that he is. And his nose is like very pointy and nose, beak. This part, what's this called? It's very pointy and it's so white. And his entire body is dark. There's a human over there. Wait. I'll turn the page right now because there is a topic I would like to explore, and maybe it also relates somehow to the birds and the trees. But yeah, I'll turn the page.